Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to a new episode of Suffer and Cypher's channel! Alright, so today we have the ORKORAPTORs from Dino Trackers. This is the original right here. Still works. It's pretty much like a carnivore pterosaurus. But yeah, there you go. You go left and right. I think the battery's done. I have to change the batteries. And I have another one because it doesn't have a variant yet. So I painted the claws right there, made it brown. Then I give some orange spots on it, like the eyebrow, the shoulders. Whoa, what happened there? The tail, instead of white, I painted orange. Look at that. And then the same as the dew claw, I painted it as well. Look at that, it's brown over there. Well, I can't really tell, it's dark. Oh yeah, right there. So this one, I gave it a battle scar as well. Look at that. There we go. Where else? Oh yeah, that's leg as well. Why is that? There. There as well. But anyways, the reason I bought this ORKORAPTOR is because finally we have the Dino Reveal Deluxe. Boom! Look at that. How awesome that is. It has a nice, it has a beautiful package. There's the ORKORAPTOR right there.
I see a tiny line in there. I see.
Looks like we have to peel it here and break the box, but I don't want to do that because I want to save the box. It looks really good. Looks good. Yeah. Looks nice. I don't want to ruin it. Okay, so let's do it. All right, let's get this box open now. Let's just open it over here. All right, let's bring it out. This box is good for display. I don't want to ruin the box. All right. Let's see what's inside. Oh wow, they really, I can feel it. There you go, there's the manual. I don't think we need this. Contents. Okay, let's put aside. Put the box there. Suffer, give it to me please. There's the bag.
The bag is kind of awesome looking.
There you go. Let's check it out. Suffer couldn't wait. Wait, Suffer. Wow, there it is.
It's kind of awesome looking.
It's like,
how you peel it?
Looks like they wrap it with vinyl, something like that. You can see the eyes. Wait. Alright, so there you go. So there's the original color right now. We're gonna peel it. Let's see if we can open the mouth. Yep, there you go. What the? So it looks like a different sculpt of an ORKORAPTOR now. It has a different tail. Has quills now. The feathers are kind of different compared to the original. It looks like the original is bigger. Look at the body. And this one got skinnier. And the tail is also different. It looks like a Pyroraptor now for some reason. Okay. So let's peel it. Let's try it. How do we peel this? There you go. I see it.
I'm gonna try now.
You peel this one right here?
Like the red stuff is coming out?
Yeah, right there. See? You peel it.
I will try now.
Okay.
And I'll try later.
Alright, so Saifa did the arm already. We're gonna do the rest. It'll take a while.
I gotta help you, Daddy.
Oh, thanks, man.
I wanna help you again.
Alright, we found this. So we'll rip this off. Whoops. I don't know what's wrong with my focus light over there. Oh, look at that.
I'll try now.
There. See the color. Looks like the tail's separate. Oh my gosh.
Feto, you need to wait patient. Okay, don't tell me. No.
Wow.
I'm gonna try to peel it now.
There, you guys do it.
Like the legs.
We're trying to take this off now, the tail. Oh, what?
It's kind of hard to tell.
Okay, I think we took off all the black vinyl. I brushed the teeth. All good. Whoa. Alright, so let's start. It does look like a Pyroraptor now. Or an Achilobator, but there's no talons though. Because the original ORKORAPTOR didn't have that either. It has green serpent eye. Nice feathery head, like golden yellowish thing. Red feathers. And for some reason it has a scar on its left foot. Look at that scar right there. That's pretty cool. I guess that's a new thing for Mattel now, they do that. So yeah, it is definitely a new sculpt of the ORKORAPTOR. It is smaller now, it's a smaller head. Look at the head compared to the original. The body is bigger, the arms are bigger as well. Look at the original ORKORAPTOR. Bigger claws compared to this one, smaller. Has feathers on its elbows now, totally different. This one's still different as well. Bigger footing, look at that. So there you have it today, guys. A new variant of the ORKORAPTOR. I heard there's also a Majungasaurus coming and a... What was the other one? Was that an Irritator or an Ichiovenator? Something like that. Maybe end of this year, who knows. This thing was hard to find. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. We'll see you around again.
And I pin it upstairs.
There you go.
I like it.
Thank you, thank you.